Friends, welcome back to my channel Product Review. Hey, you all, my celebration loving friend. It's me, Clara here, your go-to guide for reviews, fun, fact, and splash of science. Today we are going to float into the world of different colored balloons for Independence Day. From the history of the tricolor into why balloons make any event feel magical, and I will cover it all. We will also talk about how to choose, arrange, and keep them going pop too soon. Let's get inflated. Let's get started. Why are balloons the heart of the Independence Day decor? Balloons create an instant sense of celebration. They are lightweight, affordable, and can be arranged in endless patterns. For Independence Day in India, we focus on three symbolic colors, that is saffron, orange, white, green, inspired by the Indian national flag. Let's understand the tricolor meaning. Orange, that saffron, stand for courage and sacrifice. White stand for peace and truth. Green stand for faith and fertility of the land. Ashoka Chakra, navy blue with 24 spokes representing the eternal wheel of law. Influence emotion. Orange boosts enthusiasm and energy. White gives a sense of calm and balance. Green relaxes the eyes and reminds us of nature. This is the orange balloon. This is the white balloon and this is the green balloon. No wonder every Independence Day balloon set up like a burst of energy and a Zen garden has a beautiful baby. Types of balloon for Independence Day. Latex balloon. Biodegradable, available in matte or shiny finish. Foil balloon that is durable, is printed design, reflective. Helium balloon that is float beautifully, perfect for arc or for outdoor celebration. Foil balloon lasts longer than latex in direct sunlight. Balloon decoration ideas. Balloon arc, great for school gate or stage backdrop. Balloon bouquet, the cluster of tree, one in each color. Balloon pillar, perfect for entryways. Ceiling balloon with ribbon adds movement and festive flair. Balloon photo wood frame, Instagram worthy and fun. Last year, I made a balloon photo booth with an empty cardboard frame decorated in tricolor balloons, and people spent more time taking selfies and watching the flag hosting. I call that a success. The science of helium and why balloon float. Helium is lighter than air, making balloon rise. It is a noble gas, non-flammable and safe for decoration use. Fun fact, the average helium-filled latex balloon stays afloat for 8 to 12 hours, while foil balloon can last for days. Fill balloons for 1 to 2 hours before your event for the best look. Eco-friendly balloon choices. Choose biodegradable latex. Avoid letting balloons fly into the sky. They can harm wildlife. Reuse foil balloon by deflating carefully and storing. Cost and buying tips. Budget pick. Local party stores or online pack of 50 to 100 balloons may cost you a nice budget friendly. Premium pick. Custom printed foil balloons. Helium service. And my hack is to order in bulk with friends or neighbors to split costs. Tips for perfect balloon decoration. Use a balloon pump to save time. Arrange balloon in odd number, more pleasing to the eye. Anchor helium balloon with weight to avoid flyaways. Mix sizes for depth, that is small, medium and jumbo. Fun fact about balloon. The first rubber balloon were made in 1824 by Professor Michael Faraday. World record for the largest balloon release 1.4 million balloon, Cleveland 1986. Balloon can carry sound. Researchers use them in acoustic experiment. Quiz time with product review. Question 1. Which gas make balloon float? Helium or hydrogen? Question 2. What do the colors of the Indian flag represent? Question 3. True or false, latex balloons are biodegradable? Whether you are going for a simple bunch of orange, white, and green balloons or a grand floating arc, remember, it's not just decoration, it is a celebration of freedom. If you enjoyed this balloon deep dive, hit the like button and share it with your friends and subscribe for more product review funds and reviews. And send me your balloon decoration pictures. I will love to see them.